With this presentation I will demonstrate how you can copy an existing order to a new job. Now, for example, where that may happen is, for argument's sake, say you're building two houses that are identical, say project homes. Instead of doing an estimate for the new job, if it's exactly the same as the previous one, you can just copy the orders, which speeds up the process. You may not want to copy all of the orders for the new job, but it does certainly speed up the process. For example, if it was reinforcing for foundation and slab, you know the foundation and slabs are identical to the previous order, just copy it. No sense in creating it any other way. Okay, so if we say orders, and you'll see up here where it says copy the selected order. Now this is important, and it'll become more and more relevant when we get this copied order done. Now, for example, this order here that I did in the ad hoc order or instant order, or an order that's created not from an estimate, for example, its origin is labeled as an instant order. In fact, the name instant order should tell you, or ring bells, that it doesn't come from an estimate, where this one here clearly comes from an estimate. Now when we do the copy the order, and you'll see what will happen now when I say copy this order, so I'm going to copy this instant order, copy this order to a new job. So everything remains the same bar the job ID. So what I'll do is I'll just say this job here will do, and OK, and there's the orders being copied. Now let's just go back to this page here now, and you'll see that this one here, the origin of this order, came from estimate number 1. The origin of this order, well, it came from being created as an instant order or an ad hoc order. But this one here, its origin is this order. So you can always track where the orders have come from, whether it's an instant order, whether it's come from an estimate, or whether it's been copied. So there you have it. So that's how simple it is to create a copied order, and everything that was in the previous order is in this order here. So there you go. No problem in copying orders. So that needs no further explanation. So as far as I'm concerned, that should be the end of this video.